Hello everyone. I am William. I am the host of this program. Thanks for listening to today's podcast. Are you facing an issue to use your MacBook Pro due to its scratched display? Do not be upset about that, when the certified experts of iTech Xpress are ready to offer you a complete solution. iTech Xpress is a full-service repair center that Apple repair services for Mac computers, Mac laptops, iPhones, iPads, and iPods. As this company has the capacity to offer a quality repair service for all Apple products, so you can expect a satisfactory job from them. The company is renowned for its excellent customer service. Know more about the company by visiting https://ichexpressinc.com. For any queries, you call the professional at 626-777-4747. Goodbye everyone for today. Stay tuned with us.